This problem requires you to use u substitution on that. Now, u substitution is a really important concept to understand for those of you going on to Calculus 2. This is definitely something that's going to be used all the time. This is so the next teacher will expect you to know how to do these kind of in your sleep, pretty much. So make sure you understand how to do this concept. It's really important, especially for Calculus 2. So for this right here, when you find the indefinite integral, first we have to pick a value for u. U is going to be usually what you see inside of something else typically, so we're going to pick that on the bottom here, 3 plus x to the 4th. You're going to take the derivative of both sides, so you get du equals, now on this side, the 4 is going to come down, so we get 4x cubed, and then don't forget to put the dx on that side. We want to solve for dx by just dividing both sides by 4x cubed, so when you divide both sides, you're going to get du over 4x cubed. So now we know what our dx is. We're going to come back into this one and we're going to replace everything. So let's do that here. We have 2x cubed on top. On the bottom, that's going to be square root of u, because that's our definition we made for u there. Dx is du over 4x cubed. Now that we have that, we can do some simplifying. The x cubes, both of those are going to cancel out. We end up with a 2 over 4, which is 1/2. The 1/2, we're going to put that one on the outside of the integral. So then the x cubes are gone, so now we just have 1 over square root of u du. Now be careful you don't accidentally put natural log in for this. It would be natural log if the square root wasn't there. But because the square root is there, this is going to be the reverse or inverse power rule that we're kind of doing with that. So with this one, I'm going to first kind of rewrite this. I'm going to write it as u to the negative 1/2. So that way we have the power correct when we do the inverse power rule there. Inverse power rule. So for doing that one, we're going to raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power. It was negative 1/2. Of course, we also have the 1/2 out front that was right here, so that's that one. Raise the power by 1, divide by the new power, so we have this right here. We are going to put a plus c on this one because it is an indefinite integral. Now, the 1/2, those are both going to cancel out. And now we just get the square root of u, but u, we can replace it with that 3 plus x to the 4th plus c. So that's going to be your answer. Because the 1/2 out front is the same as that one down below, that's why those cancel out. U, the 1/2 is your square root. We put the u back in, and so this right here would be your final answer.